In this lesson, we will learn to write an equation for parallel lines. The problem is write an equation for the line that passes through -3, 5 and is parallel to the graph of y equals 2x minus 4. We know that all parallel lines have the same slope, especially non-vertical parallel lines as we refer to. So all non-vertical parallel lines have the same slope. So if I want to write the equation for the line that's going to be parallel to y equals 2x minus 4, since this line has a slope of 2, I know any line parallel to that will also have a slope m equal to. The line passes through the point -3, 5, so x is -3 and y equals 5. We could do this two ways. So I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you first using point slope form. So if we were to put this in point slope form, remember the format is y minus my y coordinate is equal to m, my slope, times x minus the x coordinate. So let's just plug in the values of x, y, and m and simplify. So this becomes y minus 5, which is a y coordinate, equals my slope 2 times x, subtract the x coordinate. And pay attention, in this case we're subtracting a -3. When you simplify, this becomes y minus 5 equals 2 times x plus 3. And this would be the answer in point slope form. We can, however, convert this to slope-intercept form. So let's go another step further. Slope-intercept form. Remember, for slope-intercept form, we want y to be by itself on one side. So what I'm going to do, two things. I'm going to distribute the 2 on this side, and then finally after that, I'm going to add 5 to both sides of the equation. So let's go ahead and distribute on the right side first. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have y minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 6. Let's finally remove the 5 from this side. It's a -5, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So now my equation is y equals 2x plus 11. And this is in slope-intercept form. We can clearly see the slope is 2, the y-intercept is 11. But what if you wanted to just go straight to slope-intercept form? Remember we previously learned we could use y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form. We already know what m is. M is 2. We can plug in the x coordinate we're given, -3, the y coordinate we're given, 5, and then just simply find the y-intercept b. So let's do it this way as well. So the y coordinate is 5, replace y with 5, m is 2, my x coordinate is -3 plus b, so that gives me -6 plus b. To get b by itself, we do the inverse of subtracting 6. We're going to add 6 on both sides. So b is equal to 11. So here we go. Again, we found the y-intercept to be 11, which we also have here. We know the slope is 2, so we'll just go back to y equals mx plus b. Plug in your slope and your y-intercept, and that would give us 2x plus 11. So we could have gone directly from straight to the slope-intercept and do it that method, or you could have done point slope form, and then from point slope go to slope-intercept. And of course we could do standard form as well, but we'll say that for our lesson. So pretty much this is showing you how to write an equation for a line parallel to another, and we've written it in both slope-intercept and point slope form.